Greetings. This is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you guys. I hope you're well today. And we're going to continue talking about true organic growing and what that involves, living soil. So let's talk about plant growth promoting bacteria today. And we're going to look at one particular type of bacteria that is amazing and you need in your garden. That particular bacteria is called Azospirillum Lipoferum. And what that is a nitrogen-fixing bacteria. And what a nitrogen-fixing bacteria does, it literally takes nitrogen out of the air and puts it into the soil and makes it plant-ready so that your plant will have nitrogen without actually putting nitrogen in your soil. So let's go ahead and talk about what nitrogen is and why your plant needs it. Nitrogen is a macro element. In other words, your plant needs more of this than other elements that are in the soil, and it needs it in massive amounts compared to other nutrients in your soil. It's basically involved in a lot of what your plant is, the different structures of your plant, the leaves, the stem, all the different other components of how your plant functions and grows. Nitrogen is a vital structural component in your plant's development of amino acids, nucleic acids, enzyme production, protein production, and cell wall division and building. And also, it's very important when it comes to chlorophyll production, which increases photosynthesis, which increases food production in your plant, which increases mass and size. And without nitrogen, your plant will show it and you will know it. Because without nitrogen, your plant will start to yellow. All your leaves will start to yellow and they'll start from the bottom and work its way up. Now, nitrogen comes in different forms, such as blood meal. Blood meal is a really good one, but you gotta be very careful, it can burn. A good one is alfalfa meal, and you can put a lot of that in your soil without burning your plant. Another good one is fishbone meal. Once again, be very careful with that, but it's very good to use. And a natural, organic way to use it is your compost that's in your garden. That plays a really good part in giving your plant the nitrogen that it needs in order to grow properly. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this very special bacteria, the nitrogen-fixing bacteria. One of the most important functions that it has is that it takes fixed atmospheric nitrogen out of the air and puts it into the soil, making it plant food ready so you don't have to use as much nitrogen in your grow. Another important function, and studies have been done by different universities, that it helps increase root mass of your plant. And also, it helps fight pathogens that attack your root and your rhizosphere by colonizing your root and excreting different acids and enzymes that are hostile to other pathogens that will cause havoc to your roots of your plant, which will cause problems to your plant's overall health and growth. Another thing that it does, that it produces different plant hormones such as jubilants and cytokines and auxins, which we know are important to your grow and your plant's overall health when it comes to nutrient uptake, moisture uptake, and a lot of other different functions that your plant has that are important to its overall growth. Guys, we put this bacteria in all our inoculants at earthmansoil.com, and we look at each ingredient as special. And that's why I wanted to talk to you about this one. And we're going to continue to look at different bacteria down the road. I hope this has been helpful to you. And I know for a fact that I have always had great success with this bacteria, and I have always had amazing grows using it. I hope this grow report has been good for you. I hope it helps you understand why living soil is important for your garden grow. God bless you.